Alright, welcome back to the channel. In the last episode I covered the swap out of the drive motors from this locomotive, and now we are left with some blank wires, and to get this locomotive running again I will install a ESU sound decoder, and that will be the scope of this video, so let's get right into it. For now I need to determine the positioning of the decoder. I take into account the length of the existing wiring and some other factors. But I don't like what I see because this weight is directly on top of the speaker. You can see I pre-loosened the weight so that I can move it, and I'd rather have it on top of the other weight to get free of the speaker. I just checked if we are clearing the body of the locomotive right here when I mount the weight on top of the other, and the good news is we are fine. So I will use screws to mount one weight to the other.